so keep watching. If you have hooded eyes, it means that your brow bone basically covers the crease of your eye. So if I raise my eyebrows, I can then see my crease, but if not, I can't. As a makeup artist, when I do clients' makeup, they often ask me, how do you do makeup on hooded eyes? So today, I'm gonna show you. Just start off by priming your eyes. I take a dark shade on my brush, and I'm basically just gonna put it on my brow bone, right above my eyelid. Already you can drastically see how this eye makes this look like I have a crease, and this just looks like I have a regular hooded eye. If you really want to bring your eyelids out, take a dark shade or just keep layering right there and then softly blend it outwards. Again, you can see the difference of how this looks much more enhanced and this doesn't. An easy way to think about it is that darkness pushes back and light brings forth. So you want to push back your brow bone, bring out your eyelids. Then pop a light shade on your crease. There you go.
Hey everyone, today I want to teach you how to get this super easy halo eye that absolutely everyone can wear. It's only 3 shades. First, take a matte brown transition shade like this. You can also use bronzer if you like. And I'm using a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start by packing this on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm also packing this on the inner corner as well. Then I'm just going to blend it out with soft circular motions, and remember, don't put any dark color over the center of your eye. Now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go in with a deeper matte brown shade like this to add a little bit more depth. And I'm just placing this in the same spots but in a little bit smaller of an area. Now take a light shimmer shade or a highlighter like this, and I'm just gonna take a packing brush and apply this right to the center of my eye. Then for the under eye, I'm just smoking out a little bit of that transition shade. Then just go ahead and apply your favorite mascara and some lashes if you like, and there you have it, a super easy halo eye that absolutely everyone can wear.